Hey, I'm really glad you're here. If you're dealing with bloating, especially that fine in the morning, puffy at night kind, this 10-day training is going to give you clarity and relief without extreme rules. Here's what to expect. Over the next 10 days, you'll get 10 short videos, each about 5 to 10 minutes, and each one focuses on one problem and a practical solution you can actually use. Important. You'll receive your login or access link by email within about 15 minutes, and you'll be able to access all 10 videos as they're released during the 10 days. Now let me walk you through what we'll cover, video by video, so you know exactly what you're about to learn and why it matters for you. Video 1. Bloating. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify your most likely night bloat driver using a simple one-change test. Benefits. You'll stop guessing, you'll reduce that tight waistband feeling at night, and you'll start seeing patterns you can control. Video 2. Gas plus pressure. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell the difference between gas bloat versus food volume bloat and what to adjust first. Benefits? Less trapped gas discomfort, fewer puffy evenings, and faster relief without cutting everything. Video 3. Constipation, sluggish digestion. In this video, I'm going to show you how to support regularity using a simple motility routine that doesn't make you feel worse. Benefits: less pressure and fullness, more consistent bathroom days, and fewer bloat flares caused by things not moving. Video 4. Diarrhea, urgent loose stools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your gut with a calm, reduce variables approach so urgency settles down. Benefits: fewer bathroom surprises, more confidence leaving the house, and a clear path to identify what's triggering urgency. Video 5. Reflux, heartburn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce reflux triggers using timing and simple evening habits, not complicated restrictions. Benefits: less burning and throat irritation, better sleep, and fewer nights where you feel heavy and uncomfortable. Video 6. Energy crashes, fatigue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize energy by adjusting meal structure and timing in a realistic way. Benefits: fewer afternoon crashes, steadier energy after meals, and less feeling like food knocks you out. Video 7. Brain fog plus cravings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spot the spike and crash pattern and what to change so your mind feels clearer. Benefits: better focus after meals, fewer intense cravings at night, and more control without relying on willpower. Video 8. I can't find my triggers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run simple trigger tests the right way, one change at a time, so your results are obvious. Benefits: less confusion, faster clarity, and confidence, knowing what's worth avoiding and what isn't. Video 9. I've tried everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop chasing random fixes and return to a foundation that actually works. Benefits: you'll save money and time, you'll stop the cycle of starting over, and you'll finally get a plan that feels consistent. Video 10. Overwhelm, burnout from extreme gut plans. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple, sustainable, minimum effective routine you can stick with in real life. Benefits: less stress around food, fewer all-or-nothing swings, and a calm plan you can maintain without burning out. So that's the full 10-day roadmap. By the end, you won't just have random tips. You'll have a clear understanding of what's driving your bloating and what to do about it. Here's the only thing I want you to do right now. Commit to watching each short video as it comes out and apply one small action each day. That's where the results come from. Over the next 10 days, I'm going to train you on every aspect of calming bloating, especially night bloat, using simple steps that show you what's happening in your body and how to respond. And if at any stage you would like extra help, there will be a link available where you can go check it out. All right. Check your email for your access link within about 15 minutes, and I'll see you in video 1.